So let's walk through exactly what you'll get within the Communication Styles video workshop. That's 10 video lessons with over 2 hours of content teaching you how to use your understanding of communication styles to improve all your relationships. First, we'll discuss the 3 elements of communication. Then get a solid grounding in communication styles. Oftentimes, simply being aware of the different styles will make you a better communicator. Next, we'll talk about the subconscious patterns that hinder us from communicating effectively with filters and frames, and communications and assumptions. Then we'll teach you strategies to tune your style to be more effective with any other style. You'll learn about the natural conflicts between styles, the management approaches of each style, and how groups have a style all their own. In sum, Straight Talk is designed to help you gain competency in communication as quickly and effectively as possible. These styles each have a different way of viewing the world, and they apply in almost everything we do, from time management to planning to how we're motivated and like to receive praise. Where we've succeeded in introducing the tools of Straight Talk, we've seen surprising results. Management teams become more adept at thinking and managing in innovative ways. Companies become more skilled in managing difficult projects. One organization experienced a 20% increase in profits the year after we introduced these tools, and its managers attributed the increase entirely to their new way of working together. Straight Talk gives us the power to see the patterns of communication in groups, in individuals, and provides the tools to help us facilitate change in ourselves and others. And just like reading a book, hitting a baseball, or diving into the pool, modifying your communication style is a skill. It doesn't come naturally, but once you learn it, it's a skill you can use confidently all your life. Imagine being able to confidently deal with a major stress at work. Organizations can use this knowledge to create a positive culture shift. People experience more positive and authentic interactions. I'm excited for you to go through this process. Get started right now, and I'll see you inside the members area.